Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us have likely encountered at some point. Picture this. You're working on your computer, focused and determined, when suddenly you realize that your files have mysteriously disappeared. Yes, you heard it right, the dreaded problem of missing files. It's like a never-ending game of hide and seek, except no one's having any fun. Now let's talk about solution to this chaotic file vanishing act. The key to resolving this issue lies in the trusty recycle bin. You see, when files go missing, chances are they may have accidentally found their way into the recycle bin, seeking shelter from the chaos. By simply opening the recycle bin, you can sift through its contents and restore any mistakenly deleted files back to their rightful place. Voila! Problem solved. One important thing to note is that the recycle bin has its limits. And if you or some mischievous program have bypassed it, then we need to take more drastic measures to recover those files. Now, let's delve into a bit more detail on the solution. If the recycle bin fails to produce the missing files, don't panic just yet. There are various third-party data recovery tools available that can come to the rescue. These tools are designed to scan your system for lost files and bring them back from the digital abyss. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to safeguarding your precious data. In summary, the next time your files decide to play hide and seek on your computer, remember to check the recycle bin first. If that doesn't yield results, consider using a reliable data recovery tool to retrieve your missing files. And as always, if you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more techie tips, and comment below with your own file recovery stories. Thanks for watching. And until next time, happy file hunting!